So as per the conditions, I have created a record trigger flow. That flow can create a automated order whenever a opportunities stage name field is set to close lost. So this is the flow. The flow is set on the opportunity object and it will trigger whenever a opportunity record is updated. The entry condition for that flow is a stage name must equal to close one and a stage name IsChanged is true. Means whenever a user is updating the opportunity record, then he must update a stage name field and also he must set the stage name field to the close one. And I have using this option actions and related records just because I need that opportunity ID where uh, uh, I need that opportunity ID by which a flow is triggering so that I can create orders orders associated with that opportunity. So initially I have used one decision element to check the primary code's availability. So primary code's availability is most important to create a order associated with the opportunity, just because that if there is no primary code is available for the opportunity, we cannot create a order, because to create a order from the opportunity must have some products, and that products only get this opportunity whenever the primary code is available for the opportunity. So we will first check that this opportunity dot primary code field is not null. Means if primary code is available, then the primary code's ID will automatically available for this opportunity field and it will not be null. So if the field is not null and the primary code is available and it is synced with a opportunity, then only this default path this uh, first outcome will run, else this default outcome will run and the flow will be end. So at first we have to create a order record which is associated with the triggering opportunity. To create a record, we use a create record element. Here we can create a record. So here I am creating a order record associated with the opportunity and the account. So the account ID should be equal to the account ID of the opportunity. So I am mapping these field values here. So order ID is must equal to the opportunities account ID, orders account ID. So these are extra fields which I am mapping, like status, price book, opportunity ID, order start date, customer authorized by ID. These are the some important fields. So like opportunity ID, to create a record it should be associated with some opportunity. So the orders opportunity ID should be the triggering records opportunity ID. Means that uh, by which triggering record is nothing but the records by which a flow is triggered, and we have to associate the newly created order with that opportunity. So we are just mapping this opportunity ID uh, with the order records opportunity ID. Then the start date is nothing but a close date of the opportunity. Means that as soon as the opportunity we closes, then it will be the start date for the order. And also the price book ID should be same as per the opportunity ID, so that the opportunity all the information and all the pricing for the products into the opportunity products or the opportunity line items should be same to the order items, so that we are just to ensure that they must use same price book. We are just assigning the order records price book id to the triggering opportunity records price book id. Then status should be the draft. So here we are creating the order record associated with the opportunity record. After created the order record, we must assign the opportunity line items to the ordered items. So to assign, we have to get all the opportunity line items. So to get that, we use get records elements, because we have to get the records of that products. So here opportunity product on opportunity, uh, so we are getting the records of the opportunity product or opportunity line item. So the condition should be opportunity id equals opportunity id for that opportunity line items must equal to the must equal to the records opportunity id. This dollar record is nothing but the record by which a flow is triggered. So that records opportunity id must be equal to the opportunity id of all the opportunity line items. So these all records which are associated with this dollar record, this opportunity or the opportunity which is triggering the flow, so all that opportunity line items will be available here. So it will return a collection of that opportunity line items. So we have to assign that all the opportunity line items to the order items. Order item is nothing but the items which are associated, or the items or products which are associated with the order. So to assign that, we have to iterate over this collection using the loop element. This for each loop iterate over each element in this collection. So we have used the loop element. In that loop element, we are iterating over the product from get opportunity line items. This is get all opportunity line items get record collection. So collection variable from first item to the last item. So in each iteration we are using two assignment elements. In first assignment element, we have used a single order item variable, where we are creating a single order item, or we are creating a order item records, and we are mapping the fields by getting the values from the by we are mapping the values by getting the fields from each elements in the iteration from this all opportunity item records. So in each iteration we will get one element, and that element's values we will be matching or mapping with here with the order item single order item variable. It is nothing but a variable which is of type record of the order item object. So it will get this one by one. In each iteration it will get all the values, like the price book entry, product id, unit price, list price, quantity. These are the fields of the line. These are the fields of the order item objects. So one by one it will get. And then here in the second assignment variable, here we have used a collection variable. This collection variable is nothing but of the type item order items. So it will collect one by one each variable or each order item into this collection. And after the last iteration of this loop, it will, here we are going to create a order items records associated with the order. So we have used get record, we have used the create records element, and this create records elements we are creating a order items, we are creating a record of the order items with the associated orders using this collection variable, so this collection variable contains multiple records, so that we have check this radio button, and we are creating from a record variable. This is nothing but a record collection variable, so it will create all the order records, it will create all the order item records associated with the order. I have also added some fault paths, so that if any error occurs while creating records or getting a records, or also while creating here order item records, then it will simply create action where it will post the message to the, chatter. The message will nothing but the fault message. The fault message means the error message. It will post the error message to the triggering opportunities chatter component. So this is how the flow is working. I'm saving its new version. So now I haven't activated this, so I'm just testing first. So this is my opportunity. It is having the primary code. First we will deactivate the flow. So for this opportunity there is no primary code, so that amount is 0. So as soon as we make this code as a primary, and if we refresh this opportunity, then amount will be calculated as the net amount of the primary code. So the value is 3292, and it is the same. So I will create another code and make it as a primary with a count and the opportunity associated with it. I will save. Okay, so I will going to add some products. So I'm going to add 6 line items. So if we go to the opportunity and see, as soon as we set this newly created code as a primary code, the value or net amount of the quote is automatically calculated to the net amount of the its parent opportunity. So it is a formula field which automatically calculates the its amount. So the products are also automatically gets associated with its opportunity products or the opportunity line items. So if we make, so now here are 6 products, 3 plus 3, you can see from here these are 6 products which were we added. If we make this as a primary, then the products also will be changed. So to refresh, there must be only one primary code. So here are only 3 products because we changed the primary code now. So now we haven't activated our flow, so it will not create the order right now. If we set the field as stage name as closed one, so we can say that no orders are generated. So to generate order, we have to first activate our flow. So I'm just activating my flow. Flow is activated. So now if I change the stage to close one, the order is automatically generated. The order number is 122. Now we can check that the primary quotes value is 3292, and if we go to this order and see that the 3 products are available here and the order amount is same as the quote amount or the opportunity amount. So the order is created here. We can check the detail page of that order, like the account name, status, order start date, order end date, also the order amount, activated date, activated by, order type. We can also activate this order from here, so that the order is activated. All the fields, these are only read only fields, are automatically calculated. Here contact information is there where we can check the opportunity. This is the associated opportunity and associated quote. It is a primary quote. Now here we can check the shipping and billing addresses and last modify created date. So this is how we create order, and this is how it automatically creates order whenever we set the stage to the close one. Now here we can see that